Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am super excited and happy because today I will be reviewing the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star. And oh my god, if you guys, I am nervous. I am super nervous because I want this video obviously to come out very good, and I'm just happy, excited to be reviewing this palette. So that is why I decided to wear purples today. I have my purple tank top and my purple nails. So I was like, okay, I need to make sure that I represent the purple of Bloodlust. Honestly, I never thought that I was going to get a palette because when I went to my laptop and I tried to purchase it, it was freezing on me. So I just honestly gave up. That day was my birthday as well. So I was getting ready and all of that stuff. And when I arrived at my parents and I checked online, I saw that the palette was still there. So I quickly put the palette on my cart and purchase it. And I'm not gonna lie, the palette took me for a week to arrive, but I understand because I know that the palette sold out, and I'm very proud of Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star, congratulations. I am super excited. So let me just go right into this video, guys. So before we start this video, my loves, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified for my future videos. And without any further ado, my loves, let's go ahead and start this review. Okay guys, so I quickly want to show you how this palette looks. And this is the palette. This is the packaging, and the packaging, oh my god. This palette looks huge. Like, huge, guys. It's, oh my god. This is super cute. I never seen a packaging anything like this. Anything. Oh my god. And this is how it looks from the back. This is all the ingredients from the shadows. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Guys, this is like my first impression. I haven't even opened this. And I'm super nervous. Absolutely stunning. So as Jeffree mentioned, he wanted to protect that palette very good, so he put this to secure it very well, and I think that he cares about us, he cares about the customers, so you know, little things matter. And so here is this beautiful palette. Oh my god. This is how it looks from the back. It has the Jeffree Star logos. It has all the information. This is so adorable. I feel like crying right now because I can't believe I have this in my hand. So this feels very expensive, guys, and it was only $54. Mind you, my first palette that I bought, it was $64 or something, and the texture feels so nice. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up, and this is how it comes. So we're gonna remove this, and it has a plastic to secure the shades. Oops. So this is the plastic. Again, this palette is huge, and it has a mirror right here. It has the shades. Okay, so I'm going to do some swatches. Let me just pick up my hair because it's bothering me. So let's oh my god, I'm going to go ahead and swap some shades that I am very impressed and want to try. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this baby right here, which is Take the Crown. Whoa, this is how it looks, guys. Hopefully you guys could see it on the camera. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swap Royal Pain, and I'm gonna swap Scandal Water Ooh, this one is really cute. So this is how this shade looks like. It kind of goes well with my nails, to be honest. Then I'm going to swap Pink Magic. It's like a shimmer purple. And whoa. Oh my god, guys. Did you guys see that? This is so beautiful. I'm definitely trying this shade. Last but not least, let's go ahead and swap Vile Serpent. And it looks like this. Whoa, that is absolutely so beautiful. So stunning. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did my brows and also conceal the top of my lid and under my lid, so that way I apply my eyeshadows on my lid and also under my eyes. And now let's go ahead and start applying our eyeshadows. If you guys remember, I bought the Morphe x JEFFREE Star brushes, so I will be using these brushes to apply my eyeshadows. So the first shade I'm gonna go ahead and apply is Blood Queen. So I want to start very bold because that's usually what I do for my makeup. So using the Morphe x JEFFREE Star brush, I am using the JS6 brush, and I'm going to start on my outer corner right over here. Oh wow. Guys, this shimmer shade is absolutely everything. Do you guys see how bright it is? So now I'm gonna go with Blood Queen again, and I'm going to just blend out my shades. Okay guys, so this is how the eyes is coming out, and to do my under eyes, I'm gonna apply like a different color. So I'm gonna go with Vile Serpent, which is like a greenish shade, I think. Is it? Like a blue-green shade. So guys, I don't know my colors. So using the brush JS13, I'm gonna dip into that baby. Oh wow, that is super pigmented. And I'm just going to apply it right here. And then using the brush JS9, I'm gonna go with Scandal Water, and I'm basically going to blend out Wild Serpent. Okay guys, so this is how it's coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a purple eyeliner. And so yesterday I was like, okay, since I am going to review the Jeffree Star palette, I need to get me a purple eyeliner. I usually go for a white or black eyeliner, but Jeffree Star, with him, you're not gonna be basic. You need to just go out of your comfort zone. So that's why I love him so much. Okay, so I got this purple eyeliner, and this is from the NYX Professional Makeup brand, and this is the rectangle eyeliner, and this is the shade Deep Purple. And so I'm going to apply this baby on my waterline, and let's see how that comes out. Okay guys, so there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and also apply a shimmer color on my inner eyes, and I'm waiting to apply this baby, which is the Wet Jewel. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. So using the brush JS12, I'm gonna apply that on my inner corner. Okay guys, so this is how this eye came out. I'm gonna go off camera very quickly to do this side of the eyes, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back, and I also went ahead and did my makeup base and applied my lipstick. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process of me applying my lashes. So today I will be wearing the BaddieBLashes from the style Extra. I haven't used this style yet, so I'm super excited. But this is how the eyes came out, guys, and I'm sure that applying these lashes is going to make it more stunning and more beautiful. So I'm not going to say anything yet because I'm going to give my final review at the end of this makeup. So okay guys, so I went ahead and already applied my lashes, and this is basically how this eye came out. The last thing I'm going to do is spray my face to apply my highlighter. And as you guys know, if you guys have been watching me, my go-to highlighter is the Maybelline Master Chrome, and this is the shade 150 Molten Peach. And I'm just going to grab some and apply it right here. I honestly wanted to get the Jeffree Star highlighter. I think it's called, I forgot the name, but I definitely wanted to get that highlighter, but it was sold out so quickly. But I am so happy that I got this palette, or else I wouldn't be here, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray my whole entire face using the Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. And that is it with this makeup, guys. I'm gonna go off camera very quickly to remove these babies, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts in a second. So I am back, and this is how this makeup came out. What do you guys think? in my opinion, I absolutely love this makeup so much. I would have never thought to put a purple eyeshadow on my lid because again, I'm scared to put like colors on my eye because sometimes it either could go wrong or it could go perfect like today. And it definitely, thank goodness that my eyes came out so stunning, guys. This palette, I really love it so much. Hopefully if you guys want to get this palette, hopefully Jeffree Star restock very soon because this palette is absolutely beautiful. The packaging, everything is so beautiful. The pigmented, I already know Jeffree Star's formula because there's certain formulas that are new here, but overall I already know how well they apply into your eyes. So that made me super excited to try this palette and review for you guys to see how well it performed, and it is absolutely so beautiful. I like the fact that if you guys love purple, this is the palette for you. I really love it so much and really recommend it for you, my loves. But if you guys are looking for like purples but natural, you won't find that here. But I think that Royal Pain and Monarchy are like quite natural colors, and Your Majesty. So those three, but other than that, the rest are beautiful colorful shades. And so if you want to invest in a colorful shade, this baby. If you want to travel with this palette and you want to put it in your book bag, you could definitely do that because it has a mirror, and I just love the feeling of this baby. This is definitely one of the lovely palettes that I will own for Jeffree. And yeah guys, that is my review for this palette. I am super happy and I'm super fortunate that I got to review this palette today, and I really hope that you also recreate this look because it's one of the looks that I haven't done in this channel. And this one, oh my god, I just can't stop. So let me just end this video because I'm not gonna stop talking. But thank you so much, my loves, for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified for my future videos, future reviews. And yeah, and without any further ado, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.